nami je Ryan Terry, najlepši mož na svetu. Ryan, how you feel?
I'm okay, thank
Good.
you. Yeah.
How do you feel like the most beautiful man in the world?
back in 2010. No, it's a great feeling. Obviously, it was amazing to win it, but very nervous and very shocked to get that. So yeah, it was good.
It's
I
good.
like it.
How do you train? What's your specialty?
I do train with Dave Tipton actually, so obviously he's a big guy. So we normally do like a split routine, so it's like one muscle part at night. I do fasted cardio in the morning to keep the weight down and keep obviously lean and trim.
Good. We heard that you're coming to Slovenia. Is that true?
I am, yes. Yeah, in June. Looking forward to it. Obviously judging Mr. Slovenia.
Good. I can tell you, Slovenia's got the most beautiful girls.
I know, I've heard about that. I'm looking forward to seeing that.
Okay. What's your favorite product of USN?
Personally, I like the 100% whey. It's just because it's more of a fast-acting product for me. It's good, it's low in carbs, low in sugar, and it's perfect for what I need in training.
Good. Thank you very much.
No
Hope
problem.
to see you soon in Slovenia.
See you soon in Slovenia.
Thanks, man.
See ya.